Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna do another quick edit on the X-T2 photos. Just going through some old photos to see which one I haven't been edited. So let me get started. I'm gonna use U2 for this city style with Chloe here. So let me reduce the exposure. This is a 16mm f1.4 lens, so it's nice wide angle lens. So let me reduce the exposure, update the tone a little bit so you can see the difference before and after. And then so that's one of the style. Let me save it, and if I do a 4.5 4:5 crop, so it will be closer to the bottom, and I might crop the top, but I leave the shoes a little bit on the bottom right there. So okay, so that's one of the edit, and I can copy the edit and then go to the next one. Just do pretty quick there. It's around 2 minutes per photos, so you can do different style right here. As you can see that you can do a warmer C8 right here or a brighter one. It depends how you want. I think the C1 in here it actually created a nice city style green and red, because it's green and red tone. I really like the C1 right here, so I'm gonna use the C1 in this case for this location. So it depends how the overall picture. Green and red is better to use the C1 filter right here. So I can reduce the crop around center right here, so that it create a nice like perspective in here. So you can see the before and after, and let me adjust slightly on the rotation. Just slightly adjusted the rotation right here, and then I'm gonna copy these two. I'm gonna copy these two to here, paste it. And this one is too bright right now. I'm going to reduce the exposure, and then the tone update, reduce a little bit more exposure in here. And this is one of the disadvantage if you shoot JPEG. Sometimes the light is too much exposed on the camera. You cannot adjust. That's why right now I'm having two set. One is JPEG and then one is RAW, so that you have the leverage to do it later. So let me update this one as well. So overall here, and then you see how the lighting go. So that's before and after. I like the red stand out right there. So okay, so that's good. And then the last one, let me see how it looks with the C1 actually. With this one, I think it's still pretty cool with the C1 right here. I can adjust the rotation, and then yep, you can use the C1 in here as well, so it create a different tone in this one. So this one, so if we want to use C1, let's see. So it's just two different style of editing. I think C1 is free for VSCO if you just download the app by default. So this is the free filter by default. So okay, so that's my quick edit for today, and thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more video coming up. Bye.